In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a responsive table in Figma in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, open up your browser and navigate to Figma. If you're not familiar, Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool used by designers around the world. Once you're on the Figma homepage, you'll want to log in using your credentials. If you're new to Figma, you'll need to create an account, which is quick and easy. Existing users can simply click on the login button at the top right of the page, enter their email and password, and gain access to all their saved projects. Now that we're logged in, head over to the home page in Figma. Here you'll see a list of all your recent and shared files, making it easy to navigate to ongoing projects. For today's task, we'll begin by clicking on the Design tab. This is your creative workspace where all the magic happens. It's where you can create new designs and edit existing ones, tapping into Figma's full suite of tools that cater to every design need. Next, you'll spot the Action option. Go ahead and click on that. The Action menu is where you'll locate various preset templates and tools that streamline the design process. Searching for what you need is straightforward, especially with the robust search function Figma offers. In the search bar, type in responsive table. This is a nifty feature for finding components, plugins, and other resources quickly. You'll find plenty of useful options, but for now, we'll focus on setting up our responsive table. As soon as you locate the responsive table template, give it a click. By selecting this, you're importing a pre-designed, adaptable table into your canvas. This template is highly configurable, allowing you to create tables that automatically adjust to different screen sizes, ensuring a seamless user experience across all devices. Once your template is loaded onto the canvas, take some time to explore its properties and settings. You can adjust parameters such as column width, font size, and color schemes. The responsive elements mean your table will maintain its structure, whether viewed on a desktop, tablet, or mobile device. Tinker with the settings to fit the specific needs of your project, ensuring that the table aligns with your design aesthetic and usability criteria. There you have it, a quick and efficient way to create a responsive table in Figma. With these steps, you're well on your way to enhancing your design projects with scalable and adaptable elements. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting with different designs to fully harness the power of Figma. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more design tutorials.